Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Numbers are the precise language that speaks to everyone and everything. Consider this. What if the entire universe, every atom, every heartbeat, and every black hole could be mapped using just 9 numbers? This is the world of Vortex Mathematics, a theory developed by an eccentric thinker named Marko Rodin. It's bold, it's controversial. It's numerical mysticism intertwined with theoretical physics. And today we're cracking it open and starting to look inside. What is this strange type of science? Let's start simple. Take any number and reduce it down to a single digital root, which means you continue to add the digits until you get a single digit as a result. For example, 137 becomes 1 plus 3 plus 7, which equals 11, and then add 1 plus 1, which equals 2. Look closely at this pattern as we double single-digit numbers, a process which stops naturally with 8 after doubling 4. Because the product of 5 plus 5, or any subsequent numbers, will result in a 2-digit sum, understand? So after reaching 8, we then count back down. To illustrate, 1 when doubled is 2, when doubled again, 4. Finally, 4 doubles to 8, then count backwards. 7, 5, and finally returning back to 1. It forms a loop, a never-ending sequence. But something is missing. And here's the interesting part. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are completely missing in the sequence. This is the key to understanding this vortex math system. Rodin says these numbers are more than simply special. They're not even factored in at all as a working part of this repetitive loop. But supposedly it is because they actually govern it, like numerical overlords. Rodin believed that 3, 6, and 9 represent a hidden dimension or frequency, the key to energy flow in the universe. And he was not alone in these ideas. Nikola Tesla, the legendary inventor and visionary, once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." While Tesla's fascination with these numbers has remained a subject of intrigue, he wasn't the only one to explore their significance. Subscribe and keep tuning in. We will be looking into Tesla's views on energy, frequency, and much more in upcoming episodes. All right, now back to discussing Rodin. Marko Rodin later built upon similar ideas to Tesla, developing his own theories of vortex mathematics, claiming that these very numbers hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. To put his theory to the test, a device was built, the Rodin Coil, a wire loop that supposedly produces infinite resonance and provides super efficient energy flow, even wireless power transmission. Some claim it's the holy grail of clean energy. Others say it's elegant nonsense dressed in copper wire. But here's the kicker. No major institution has ever validated his claims. Yet DIY engineers and fringe scientists still continue to experiment with it around the world. It's part science, part rebellion, and all mystery. Let's be honest, vortex math isn't in any textbooks, but that doesn't mean it's without value. Rodin's obsession with patterns and symmetry, as well as the strange magnetism of numbers, reflects a deeper human impulse, our need to find structure in the chaos. You don't have to believe that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold the universe together to appreciate the art of the interesting theory. Because science, at its heart, isn't just about what's been proven. It's about what questions we dare to ask. Is vortex math the code behind reality, or just a beautiful illusion of explanation? We'll let you decide, so speak out in the comments below and tell us what your thoughts are. Perhaps you may have a secret number system of your own to share with us. Who knows? Anything is possible. This is Sonic Sciences. Subscribe, hit the bell, and remember, some patterns never end. Thanks for watching this episode of Sonic Sciences, and I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe, and do all that groovy stuff that makes YouTube thrive. See you soon.